Hello Sushi Lovers family, Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today I'm gonna show you very important things. If you want to learn how to make sushi, you need to know how to make sushi rice. If you want to see how to make sushi rice, you can check the link on my description box. And to make a perfect sushi rice, you need to know how to make perfect sushi rice vinegar. So today I'm gonna show you important things. If you are a beginner for sushi, if you want to learn how to make sushi, this video is important for you. This sushi rice vinegar recipe is very simple. You don't need to be a master sushi chef to make these ones. Just we need 5 ingredients. I'll show you these ingredients. Let's go. Okay, first of all, we need rice vinegar. It's unseasoned sushi rice vinegar. Most important things is we need unseasoned sushi rice vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna use these ones, and also I have here the kombu, that is the Dashi Kombo, and I have here the white sugar, that is the kosher salt, and here is the sake, that is the sake. Now I'm gonna tell you the secret recipe, very simple and easy. Okay, I'm gonna use the unseasoned sushi rice vinegar. Now that is the 800 ml rice vinegar. Yes, now I'm gonna add the 400 gram of white sugar. Here I have the 350 grams white sugar. Now I'm gonna add 50 gram more. I have here the kosher salt. I'm gonna add this one's 150 gram. Let's see. Yes, I have here the 150 gram kosher salt. Every sushi restaurants and every sushi chef, they have their own recipe about the sushi rice vinegar. Normally we need to use 3 ingredients, that is the most important: sushi rice vinegar, unseasoned sushi rice vinegar, sugar and salt. Sake and kombu, some people add the slice of lemon or slice of lima to reduce the strong smell of the vinegar they are using. That is the optional. If you don't have the sake and kombu and any kinds of lemon, no need to worry. You can use just sugar, salt and rice vinegar. That's enough. Now I'm gonna use the sake. I have the 0 ml, as you can see in this here. 12 ml. Yes, I think it's 24. Let's go 30. 27, 28. Yes, little bit more. Yes, 33. Okay, no problem. Yeah, more or less 30 ml sake. So I'm gonna use the kombu dashi. Kombu dashi give the more umami flavor. So if you have, that is the optional. That is not a necessary. Yes. I'm gonna use the 7 gram of the kombu dashi. It's a 9 gram. Let's take out a small 2 gram. Yes. I have the kombu. It's around 6 to 7 gram. 7 gram kombu is good. It's a little bit big, so I cut in the half. Let's put here. Now I'm gonna make a little bit warm till melt the sugar and salt very well, and I'm gonna wait till it's become very cool. Now I'm gonna using the heat to melt properly salt and sugar. I'm gonna mix it very well. That is the important things. You are not allowed to make boil. Just make warm to melt the sugar and salt. Finally, we have here sushi rice vinegar sauce. Sushi rice vinegar sauce mixers with very good combination ratio. This already cooled down, so I'm gonna put in the jar so I can use till 5 days. My sushi lovers family, I have to tell you one thing, very important things. Don't use metal jar to store it. Always use the plastic, or you can use the glass jar. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe for more video about sushi. See you in the next video.